What are you saying? So, how are you? Mama. I say hi. Mama say hi. Say hi. Say subscribe to my mommy's channel. Subscribe. Sit it. Subscribe to my mommy's channel. Guys, welcome back to our channel. It's been long I made video with my kids. Even during the midterm break, we couldn't do video together. I wasn't that strong. But now we are back making video back to back together. Yeah. Life of mom of two. Living in Nigeria. Mommy, say hi. Say hi. Say hi. Say hi, everyone. Hi, mommy and daddy. Hi, brothers and sisters. Subscribe to my mommy's channel. So, guys, I'm gonna talk to you guys later. Yeah, Chakara is getting too much this time around. Say hi. Say hi. Subscribe to my mommy's channel. Stop that. Stop doing that. You say your mouth. Hey, thumbs up the video. You're not looking at the camera. Oh, okay. But hey guys, welcome back again to my channel. Move your head. Hey guys, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. How you guys doing? Hope you're doing good. Jesus Christ. Won't you allow me to do introduction? Today, this video, the title will be see this one. This one is crying. Greet everyone. Since you don't want me to greet, you must greet too. So guys, I want to cook jollof rice, okay? But I'm not gonna carry you guys along, but I might show you the end result, okay? If I remember to record that part. If I don't remember, anyhow. All these children, I don't know. We'll talk to you guys later. I say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Mama, I say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Wave your hand. Let them see. Good. I sing for them. Happy birthday to you. Welcome back again to my YouTube channel. How you guys doing? Guys, this time around, I find it difficult to film. I find it difficult to make videos. I don't know why. I don't know what is wrong with me. Like, I can't just tell. I find it difficult to edit videos. I find it difficult to do to film videos. God, I say, God, please deliver me, because this thing is not encouraging. Okay, it's not encouraging because this is just like my work, my business, my everything. So I have to put more effort. But I know that some days are like that you wake up, you won't feel like doing anything. But I don't just want it to enter me. This one is getting out of hand. Like before, I used to have plenty videos. Yeah, I used to have plenty videos on my channel, like maybe in my private studio. So, but this time around, nothing. I find it difficult to carry my camera, to carry my phone to film. That's why at times, if I'm cooking like this, I'll just place my camera and cook and record it just so that I can get videos. But to vlog this time around, I find it difficult. Today is actually Sunday. We just came back from church, okay? So I just finished eating. See the way I'm sweating. No light. We have not seen light since today. Yesterday night, there was no light. God, I beg, help us. So. And see, I have plenty things in my freezer. Let this thing not happen. I don't want it to happen, no. Okay. Like, I don't know. Let me just see if I can talk to my kids. Maybe we can just walk around the compound and make video, okay? Let me see how it's going to be. Let me start. Let me just ginger myself. Oh, God, I want to be catching out every month, but I don't know how this thing is going to happen. God, please help me. I don't know. I don't know how it's going to happen. I just want to be catching out. I just want to be a big woman, a big girl, like that every month I'll see money. I'll use money to pay my bills. I use money to so that's why I said let me not down myself. Let me just continue. We made it outside. Yeah, so I want to go outside now with my son. Yeah, I just want to stray a bit. Maybe probably I'll go and paint my toes. Let it just be what I will do today. Daddy be going. Yeah. Small, so I will not fall down again. So you fall down. Go. That is small. Akpọpụta anaghị aside ọ dịka mepere gị cage. When you bring all these children out, it will be like to them it will be like oh yeah, go. When you open gates for them, it will be like to them they will feel like you just release them from the cage. Don't move because of bike. Wait. You just what is that? Is that ice cream? You want to lick ice cream? Let's buy ice cream. Guys, you want to buy ice cream? Huh? Wait, stay here. How about want to buy ice cream? My son likes this ice cream very well. How are you? I even want to see you. Okay, you are going to church. Wait, how do you say, sir? 100, 200. I bring 200. Oh, wait. Stay here. I don't like. I show them your ice cream. So I just bought this ice cream for Bobo. Do you like it? Yeah, let's go. Sure. When I was going out, this ice cream, people like it very well. This as in children like the ice cream very well. So this one's running now. You see them. Let them pass me. See them now. They're rushing to go and buy the ice cream so that they can meet up. They're just running so that they can meet up. I don't know what they see in the ice cream. Your mommy is under arrest. See us. Hey, I see the hot. See, I see hot. Wow. Obama, you don't enter.
Now, if you don't enter, you go the bone back.
Before uncle,
I treat typhoid. I feel sad. They short of blood. I think that's small doing.
If it be saying at the 10 enter.
I pray. Even the two I go today, na child education. I start find the phone and put my name.
As soon as.
Bobo, how are you? Fine boy.
Hey, why I go see money come buy all this?
I carry you go this party. You just go there.
I don't know the kind of woman. Catholic church, Abi.
Not be your church.
No.
Okay.
I don't know the kind of human being I be staying indoor. Hey, I see the house.
Mama, come. I'm not tired for there. Okay. Mama, I leave my friends for there.
Can't come back. It is well.